Are you maybe wondering, is crown molding outdated or something that you shouldn't be including in whether it's your next renovation project for your own home or a project for an upcoming client? Well, I feel it's still something to be considered. So, if you're even working on a super modern design or you're working on something that's a little bit between traditional and modern, crown molding has a lot of benefits. And here are probably the top three reasons I would consider it for my next project. The first one is that it can define a space. So oftentimes people think that they have to put crown molding everywhere, but if you have a designated dining room or sitting room that you want to put a little bit more character into, crown molding can be a great way to do that. Or another option would be a bedroom, especially a primary one. Another way to use crown molding would be in some homes that are perhaps a little bit older in age. Crown molding can do a good job of keeping that style consistent from the outside of the home to the inside, while still incorporating some modern features, especially in furniture and paint choices, for example. Lastly, crown molding has the added benefit of drawing the eye upward and elongating the space. So it actually makes your ceilings appear taller than they actually are. I hope that helps.